Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to decipher corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we are diving into a Form 8K filing from Microvast Holdings Inc. Now before you think, oh great, another boring financial document, stick with me because this one has a bit of a twist. It's about a loan and let's just say it involves extending the deadline to pay it back. It's like when you ask your parents for more time to do your chores, but with a lot more zeros attached. So what's the big deal? Well, this report is about a change to a loan agreement. Specifically, Microvast got an extension on when they have to repay their loan. It's crucial because it shows how the company is managing its money and how confident lenders are in their ability to pay it back. Let's see what's going on. This is a current report, basically meaning that something important enough has happened that the company needs to let the SEC and the public know about it quickly. The date on this report is March 17, 2025, so this is when the event occurred. The company we are talking about today is Microvast Holdings Inc. They are incorporated in Delaware and their headquarters is in Stafford, Texas. The main topic of this report is that Microvast, the company, entered into what's called the First Amendment to Loan and Security Agreement. Think of it like a contract that's being updated. This update changes the original loan agreement they had back in May of 2024. It's a deal between Microvast Inc., which is a subsidiary, meaning a company controlled by Microvast and some other smaller pieces. Also involved is Yang Wu, the CEO of Microvast, acting as the initial lender, meaning the person or entity that's providing the money at the start, and Aquarium Agency Services LLC, who is acting as a manager for all the lenders involved. Basically, this agreement is all about the terms of a loan that Microvast is receiving, specifically about when they need to pay it back and under what conditions. The most important part of this update is that they pushed back the maturity date from November 28, 2025 to May 28, 2026. The maturity date is just the day you have to pay the loan back. So Microvast now has more time to come up with the money. The rest of the deal stays the same, at least according to this report. This section indicates that the loan agreement is a significant event for the company, so is required to be reported. This section is here to tell us that because of this agreement, Microvast now has a direct financial obligation, basically a fancy way of saying they owe someone money. Now, what does all this mean? Well, extending the maturity date could mean a few things. Maybe Microvast needs more time to generate enough cash to pay off the loan, or perhaps they're planning to use that money for something else, like expanding their business, and they need more time for those investments to pay off. So what can we learn from all of this? Well, on one hand, getting more time to repay a loan can be a good thing. It gives the company some breathing room and flexibility. However, it could also be a sign that they're struggling to meet their financial obligations. Let's move to our opinions and analysis about Microvast. Microvast is a company in a very competitive industry. They are trying to make the new generation of batteries, competing with the big boys from China, Korea, and other places. So their current direction is full of risks and opportunities. Extending the loan gives them more time. Now, is this a good thing or a bad thing? It is really hard to tell without looking at the financials and understanding the reasons for this extension. Here are some things to think about. Microvast now has more time and flexibility, which could be good for future investment. A longer repayment period could imply higher interest payments over time. Increasing the total cost of the loan and pushing back the repayment date might worry investors about Microvast's current financial health, but this could lead to a drop in investor confidence and potentially lower stock prices. So to sum it up, keep an eye on how Microvast uses this extra time. Are they investing wisely? Are they improving their financial situation? Or are they just kicking the can down the road? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let me know in the comments what company or filing you'd like me to decode next.